Today, we're pitting two SUV tire titans against each other, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus, a touring tire launched in 2022, and the Maxxis Victra Sport VS5 SUV, a performance-focused ultra-high-performance tire from 2020. Let's see which one excels in wet and dry handling, noise, and rolling resistance. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with wet performance. In wet braking, both tires are close, with the Michelin stopping at 26.5 meters and the Maxxis at 26.6 meters, a difference of just 0.1 meters. However, the Maxxis pulls ahead in wet handling with an average speed of 74.2 kilometers per hour, 1.1 kilometer per hour faster than the Michelin's 73.1 kilometers per hour. It truly excels in straight-line aquaplaning, reaching 77.2 kilometers per hour, a notable 8.6 kilometers per hour advantage over the Michelin's 68.6 kilometers per hour. For wet handling and aquaplaning resistance, the Maxxis Victra Sport VS5 SUV takes the lead. Moving to dry performance, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in braking, stopping at 35.4 meters, which is 0.6 meters shorter than the Maxxis Victra Sport VS5 SUV's 36.0 meters. However, the Maxxis outperforms in dry handling with an average speed of 93.5 kilometers per hour, 0.9 kilometer per hour faster than the Michelin's 92.6 kilometers per hour. The Primacy 4 Plus is better at braking, but the Victra Sport VS5 SUV handles faster. When it comes to exterior noise, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus takes the lead with a quieter experience, producing 70.5 decibels, which is 0.9 decibels less than the Maxxis noise level of 71.4 decibels. One area where the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus undeniably excels is rolling resistance, boasting a much lower resistance coefficient value of 6.6, which is 2.5 less than the Maxxis Victra Sport VS5 SUV coefficient value of 9.1. In summary, the Maxxis Victra Sport VS5 SUV excels in wet handling and aquaplaning resistance, while the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus excels in rolling resistance and dry braking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.